Are you curious about the warning indicators and cluster display on the 2024 Volkswagen Transporter? How can these symbols enhance your driving experience? This guide will break it all down for you. Interior view. The 2024 Volkswagen Transporter dashboard features a sleek, modern design with a digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system. It offers intuitive controls, smart connectivity. The digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays for navigation, vehicle data, and driver assistance features. The LCD screen provides clear visuals for navigation, infotainment, and vehicle settings with responsive touch controls. The gear system is designed for smooth and efficient shifting, enhancing driving comfort and performance. The climate control system provides precise temperature regulation for a comfortable cabin experience. The steering wheel offers ergonomic design, intuitive controls, and a comfortable grip. Instrument cluster.
The units of measure may differ depending on the intended destination of the vehicle.
Cluster indicators, airbag, brake, seat belt reminder, 12-volt energy supply, collision, steering, take over the steering immediately, engine coolant, rear traffic, oil pressure, oil temperature, do not continue driving, transmission temperature, speed limiter switched on, anti-lock brake system, electronic stability control, electric park brake, tank almost, the tank cap is not closed, engine check, sure malfunction, do not continue driving, service forward collision, front passengers, front airbag, emergency call, semi-automated driving, tire pressure, driving light, service stop start system, rain light sensor, steering, forward collision off, low washer fluid, autonomous emergency, adaptive cruise control, emergency assist, blind spot, adaptive cruise control, engine control, front fog, parking headlights on, rear seat belt reminder, turn signal, stop start active, high beam, particulate filter, engine RPM, transmission, adaptive chassis control, vehicle key not in vehicle. Outside temperature is below sway bar, autonomous emergency, distance warning. AdBlue level 2 low, engage power takeoff. Seat not occupied, normal driving mode. Check brake system, mobile phone connected. Mobile phone battery charge level, gearbox fault. Comfort mode, normal driving profile. Safety precautions, know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.